Hi, you're with Chandeep at Goodly, and let's take a look at the column function in Excel. Now, the column function generates a column number. So let's say when I write equals to column, and I do not give any reference here, that means I do not give any cell address here, and I close the bracket and I press enter, this would give me number 2. Why? Because B is the second column number. Now if I would write the column function here equals to column and then close the bracket and do not again give any reference of the cell, this would give me number 6. Why? Because F is the sixth column number, right? Now, the other variation of the column number is that you can also give a reference in the column number. So let's say I'm just going to write columns again, column function. And here now I give a reference. So reference to a cell. Let's say I give the reference to the cell A6. Now A being the first column number, this is going to give me number 1, right? Alternatively, I could also give this as C6 or B6 or Z6 or any other column, and this would fetch the column number of the reference given here, right? The other application that I also want to discuss about the column function is that you can also generate serial numbers with the column function. Take a look how. So let's say, for example, I want to generate serial numbers from here till here. So I will write equals to column and do not give any reference, close the bracket, press enter. This is column number 7, and then drag it to the right, and this would give me from column number 7 till column number 13, it would give me column numbers. Now ideally, if I'm generating serial numbers, there should have been 1 and up till 6 or 7. So what do I do? So I'm going to say equals to column minus equals to column of the previous cell right here. And in order for me not to move this cell, I'm going to lock the reference here. So the column number here becomes column number 6. This was column number 7. 7 minus column 6 gives you 1. And this will always deduct column number 6 from each of these column numbers and will automatically generate the column number. So this becomes 1 and this becomes 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's take a look at the second one here. Now this was giving you column 8 because H is column 8, and then you are saying minus column F11. Why F11? Because we have locked that. This is column 6, so 8 minus 6 becomes 2, and so the counting kind of goes on. So those were the 3 applications of the column function. Remember, the column generates the column number. Thank you so much for watching this. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or on YouTube, and read the blogs at goodly.co.in. Thank you so much and take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.